Today we are going to talk about how to sharpen a chisel. So in this video, the sharpening stone I'm going to use, I purchased from Harbor Freight. It was $2. It has a fine side and a coarse side. Works well. And the SKU number, as you see in the top right hand corner of the screen there. But you can buy sharpening stones from Lowe's, Home Depot, eBay, Amazon, etc. Let's get started.
Woo!
So here's my chisel. And it's important you don't want to mess up your cutting edge or the angle of that cutting edge. You also want to make sure the back side is flat. I've already checked mine, it's flat. So I'm going to add just a few drops of oil to lubricate the stone. That helps also clear away any of the swarth. And so I just maintain the angle of that cutting edge and make several passes, pulling the chisel toward me. And again, I'm first starting with the more coarse side of the stone. So that's sort of what it looks like after using the coarse side.
Wow.
Now I am not a professional woodworker. Now I'll switch to the fine side. I mainly use my chisel to reposition strike plates on doors, door hinges, you know, the mortise on the for door hinges, etc. But it's still a good practice, and for safety, you want to keep your chisel sharp. This sharpening stone can also be used to sharpen knives and other tools, not just chisels.
Wow.
So it's nice and sharp now. After several uses, you will want to clean your sharpening stone. So let's do a brief test on the cardboard. You can see it cuts nicely, nice and sharp. Good to go. I also sharpened my side cutters here. Might be hard to see on camera. And even my metal putty knife, I put just a slight edge on it. I find it works better with that edge clean and sharp. Especially if you're scraping off like old caulking around a tub spout, etc. I hope this information helped. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.